Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Lizzie. Today we are focusing on a very high scoring, low risk writing task, that is article writing. If you understand the format once and practice smartly, this question can guarantee marks in your CBSE English paper. This lesson is especially designed for class 10 and class 12 board exams, where presentation structure and clarity matters as much as the ideas. We will not just learn what an article is, we will learn how examiners think, where students lose mark, and how you can stand out even with simple language. What is an article? An article is a well organized written piece meant to inform, persuade, or entertain the reader. This line is extremely important because CBSE questions are purpose driven. When you write an article, you're not chatting or storytelling, you are addressing an informed reader. That is why articles are used in newspapers, magazines, websites, and school assessments. So remember, the tone is formal or semi formal, the ideas are logical and focused, the language is clear, not decorative. So, why is it important in CBSE exams? Now, listen carefully. This is where strategy comes in. Article writing carries 5 marks in the board exam. That means one answer can influence your final grade. CBSE uses this question to test whether you can organize ideas logically, use correct grammar and vocabulary, express opinions clearly, stay within a given format and word limit. Most topics are based on real life issues, environment, education, health, technology, so there is no excuse for irrelevant content. Most of the time, the content is connected to you. So, what is CBSE marking scheme? Students, this slide is the key to scoring full marks. CBSE examiners do not read emotionally, they tick boxes. Let's break it down. First, 1 mark is given for the format. You must write a clear title, a byline starting with by. Miss either one, and the mark is gone. Next day, 2 marks are allocated for the content. The examiner checks, is the content relevant to the topic? Are the ideas complete and meaningful? And then 1.5 marks are allocated for the organization of the content. Here they check paragraphing, logical flow, proper beginning, middle, and finally 1.5 marks are allocated for the language. This includes grammar, spelling, sentence structures, vocabulary. A simple article written neatly can score higher than a fancy article written carelessly. Now let's understand the correct CBSE approved format. So first comes the title. It should be catchy, relevant, not a full sentence. Byline written as by plus name. Never write your roll number or class. Then comes the introduction, the body content beginning. This is the most powerful paragraph. It should introduce the topic, create curiosity, and set the tone of the content. You may begin with a question, that is a hook question, a shocking fact, or a strong statement. Then move on to body paragraph. This is where marks are earned. This includes cause and effect, examples, arguments. Use 2 to 3 short paragraphs, not one long block. And finally, coming to the conclusion, this should summarize the issue, give an opinion or solution, leave a strong impression, never end abruptly. Now let's move on to some sample topics. These are CBSE board level themes like climate change and future, the importance of mental health in teenagers, the role of social media in modern society, education versus skill development. Notice these things that they are board focused, they allow opinions but require facts. They connect directly to student life. Before writing, always ask, what is the core issue here? Am I expected to suggest solutions or raise awareness? Let us now analyze this sample like an examiner. So, the topic is The Power of Reading by Aryan Gupta. Here, the title is concise and meaningful. The introduction immediately contrasts books with screens. The body paragraphs develop benefits logically. Vocabulary, concentration, imagination, all these are the vocabularies used, the facts to support the topic, the advantages of the topic. And moving on to the next paragraph, each and every single paragraph is giving you its benefits and solutions for the topic. Now, finally, coming to the conclusion is motivational and future oriented, which is calling to an action for the readers. This article scores well because there is no repetition, no off topic ideas are given, and there is a smooth transaction in the paragraph. This is a simple yet well written article. Now, let's focus on visual based questions, which are becoming more common. Notice how the introduction directly describes the image. Connect it to the topic immediately. Now, moving on to the body that explains water pollution and air pollution separately. Use strategies like main idea, key details, cause and effect, or compare and contrast, or problem and solution relationship. And coming to the conclusion warns about the future, again, which is giving a clear call to action for the readers. Ignoring the visual inputs can cost you content marks. So, better focus on visual inputs. What are the details given in the visual? You have to present it in the article. So, to elevate your article from average to excellent, start with a hook question. That is, start with a rhetorical question asking the readers a question which is drawing the attention of the readers. Use persuasive language, not storytelling. Stay within the word limit because excess words are penalized. Use connectors, the transitional words or the linking words. For example, moreover, however, therefore, in conclusion. These directly improve organization and language scores. Most students lose marks not because they don't know, but because they don't follow instructions. So make sure that you're avoiding the missing title or byline, writing like a speech or debate, one paragraph article, grammar and spelling errors, writing 50 words extra, thinking more is better. In CBSE, concise and precision beats length. Here comes the takeaway. This task trains you for real exam pressure. Why don't you write an article in 15 minutes on one topic, one clear attempt? After writing, use the marking scheme to evaluate yourself like an examiner. Before submitting, always pause and check. Title and byline, strong introduction, clear argument, effective conclusion, grammar, and spellings. This checklist alone can improve your score dramatically. And finally, article writing is not about memorizing the samples, it is about thinking clearly, writing neatly, and following structure. Practice with real issues, read editorials, and respect the format. This is how you can score. Remember, article writing is one of the safest scoring areas in the CBSE paper. Master it once and it will always work in your favor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And see you soon in the next video.